Hi everyone, it's Christoph Chu from Coldwell Banker Previews International in Beverly Hills. And today I'm taking a brief moment to come here to the Hotel Bel Air in the heart of the residential district in Bel Air, which is a suburb of LA. It's about a 5-minute drive from downtown Beverly Hills. It's a great hotel. It went through a major 2-year renovation, finished about a year ago. And it's a great place to get away and be in the middle of nature in this beautiful reserve of trees and plants and wonderful streams, beautiful architecture. It's owned by the Sultan of Brunei and the Dorchester Hotel Group out of England. And Wolfgang Puck opened his restaurant here when they reopened about a year ago after the 2-year renovation. So it's a really great place to come. The food is amazing. You know, Wolfgang's an amazing chef, and I've known him since back in the early 80s when he opened his first Spago West Hollywood on Sunset Boulevard. And actually even before then, when he worked as a chef at the old Ma Maison. For those of you who remember the 80s in LA, Ma Maison was kind of the chic private hotspot for lunch in the city. So I'm going to have lunch with a client, and I just want to give you a little tour of this place. We're going to do this on some TV shows. We just haven't had a chance to book it yet as one of my secret hidden gems of LA, because it truly is a secret hidden gem. And if you want to stay in a wonderful hotel that's literally, 5-6 minutes from downtown Beverly Hills, about 20 minutes from the beach, but in this wonderful oasis-like environment, the Hotel Bel Air is a place to be. Amazing food, beautiful rooms, great place for weddings. We've been to many a wedding here. That's the pergola where they do the wedding ceremonies typically. And surrounded by mature trees. I think it's about an 8 or 10, maybe 12-acre property altogether. Wonderful bungalows. It's not a high-rise hotel, it's kind of low-rise bungalows. And just a great place. And I can't think of anywhere I'd rather have lunch today on this beautiful day. It's about 78 degrees. Enjoy the beautiful flowers, the wonderful food from Wolfgang Puck, after spending 3 hours touring all of the new listings on my caravan today. So greetings and adios from Hotel Bel Air in the Bel Air area of Los Angeles. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. So if you come to LA, make sure to come to the Hotel Bel Air.